What's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? It is Thursday, January 6th, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. So, today we're doing the show once again from Ramenistan. It wasn't actually all that bad, but a really nasty way to end the day here. I got some major selling at the end of the day, so everything goes in the red. I believe, and don't quote me on this, but I believe the NASDAQ and the S&P were actually up most of the day. The Dow Jones was down, but towards the end of the day here, in power hour, everything started selling off. So everything finishes in the red here. So stock market is down. Crypto got wrecked pretty hard. I think it's recovering now, but yeah, crypto went down a lot. Stock market's down. Everything is down. Another bloodbath today. So yeah, once again, we're doing the show from Ramenistan. But regardless, got a great show for you guys today. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. And today, we only have one piece of news about the Powerball. Not really stock market or crypto related, but, that was a big jackpot. Some people hit. So we'll briefly talk about that. And then, for the analysis today, we'll be going over NAKD, Naked, Cenntro brand, or what is it, Cenntro Electric. Talked about it yesterday, but that was still trending today. So we'll cover that again. And then we'll talk about MVIS, Microvision. Haven't talked about that one in a while here. But that was trending top 10 on StockTwits. So we'll cover that one as well. And, yeah, those are the only two we're going to analyze today. Everything in the top 10 didn't get too much price action except for those two. So we'll cover those. And then we'll get to our Yolos. And we have quite a few Yolos today. Some good Yolos. A lot of lost corn. Not too many options except for GME. For some reason, there was a lot of GME Yolos. So we have a good amount of GME Yolos. And then we have a lot of general lost corn. Portfolio lost corn and meme stock lost corn. So today should be pretty fun. Nothing too serious. Shouldn't take too long, honestly. Maybe hour and a half, 2 hours, depending on, how many people come in and chat. But it looks like people are a little slow coming in here today. That's all right. So, if there's not so many people today, then it should be around an hour and a half. But if there is people, then, probably around 2 hours. But yeah, today's show should be short and sweet. So let's do it, guys. And already got spammers in here. So let's get them out of here. Cool. All right. And before we begin, please hit the like button. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. All right, let's do it, guys. And my apologies. Got our first hour in today. So, all right, let's do it. And let me just quickly make sure I'm live here because I don't see any people coming in. Usually there's some people in here already. So let me just check YouTube real quick. All right, we're good. It just seems like nobody in here today. That's all right. We'll get started anyway. Boom. So yeah, I was looking at Rivian earlier. This one got wrecked too. All right, so the Dow Jones finishes down 0.47%. The NASDAQ finishes down 0.04%. And the S&P 500 finishes down 0.1%. Yep. So, like I said earlier, really nasty way to end the day here. Nasdaq and the S&P were up in the green most of the day, and then power hour everything sold off, so everything in the red here today. But you know, there is a decent amount of green here, so let's check it out. And the VIX is actually down. I don't know how, because you know, usually when the VIX is like inverse of what the indexes are, the major indexes. So the VIX should actually be up. That's interesting. But all right, I'll take it. So let's check it out here. All right, so it looks like the Trump stocks / conservative social media stocks are up a lot today. I don't know why they're not trending, actually. But yeah, these are mooning here, especially at the... Let's check them out real quick, actually. Because this came out of nowhere towards the end of the day, and it's mooning here in the aftermarket. Yeah, look at that. It's like during power hour, it just started mooning out of nowhere. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. And it's still going here in the aftermarket. Wonder what's going on here. You know, DWAC, PHUN. These are the, you know, Trump meme stocks. They usually trade together. So that's pretty interesting. We'll have to keep an eye on that. See how far that goes up today. Okay. Very interesting. And then after that, we got Beyond Meat. So those are up like 20%. Came out of nowhere. Maybe we'll have to cover that. We'll see where it is trending in a little bit here. And then after that, we got Beyond Meat. A lot of memes here. Beyond Meat, 14.65%. AABB, 14.11%. Got DoorDash, 7.28%. Peloton, 5%. DraftKings, 4.67%. So it looks like a lot of the memes in the meme index are up today. What up, Monir? Thanks for joining me today. Appreciate you as always. All right, so yeah, people are a little slow to come in today. That's all right. Appreciate you guys for being here. Everyone who's coming in late. What else we got? We got Alibaba, 4.51%. I don't know. It's kind of look like it's bottoming out. I don't trust it yet, but it really has a hard time breaking like 120 and 110. So this may be the bottom for Chinese stocks, hopefully. Ford up 3.38%. Very nice. Big day there. But, you know, other than that, now we got some blue chip stuff here. PayPal, 2.73%. Facebook, Meta, 2.56%. And it looks like we have a good amount of financials up, too. But, yeah, you know, there's really not too much going on here on the green side. A few value stocks. And some growth stocks going pretty higher. Yeah, look at this. Yeah, PHUN and DWAC are mooning right now for, I don't know why, for absolutely no reason. Did something happen? What is going on here? What up, Busy Bone? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. It hurts, bros. Yeah, it's been hurting for a while now. For what? Past couple of weeks. So. Feel your pain, feel your pain. What up, Low Roller? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. So, yeah, people starting to come in here. Appreciate you guys for joining me today. So, let me see what's going on here. Announced the date app launch for DWAC in February. Okay. Yeah. Report says Trump's Truth social media app to launch February 21st. All right. Well, that would do it. And it's still going here in the aftermarket. Look at this. In the past hour, this went from 50 to 65. This is ridiculous. But, you know, it is a meme stock. This is how it goes. And then it's going to come right back down, I'm telling you. And PHUN, same thing. So, that usually trades in sympathy with DWAC. So, pretty much the same thing here. This was at 250. Now it's at 330. Incredible. So, we'll keep an eye on these. But, the beta version for the app wasn't that supposed to come out in like November or something, and that never launched. So we're still waiting on the beta. So I don't know why. I don't know if they're gonna meet this deadline in February, but we'll see how it goes. But I'm really not a big believer in this stock here, and I'm not even being political. Like, it just seems like it's not really developed well, and it's just totally a meme stock. Anyway, we'll keep an eye on that. The guy working at Kroger pushing cart. The guy got C19. The manager tell him to work, but don't tell their coworkers he got C19. That's pretty shady. Yeah, that's I think Kroger can get sued over that. The guy had bad luck in his life. Yeah, you can sympathize, but at the end of the day, complaining's not going to do anything. But Yellow Roller, got an article about the Powerball coming up here, so stay tuned for that. Just don't short it again. I know it's tempting, right? Because I feel like it's going to be the sell the news event in February. When it does launch, I feel like it's going to tank. But, I'm not going to mess with it anymore. So, yeah, it's very tempting, but, yeah, I learned my lesson. Not going to mess with the with DWAC anymore. All right, so, yeah, not much happening on the green side here other than DWAC and PHUN and a few other meme/growth stocks. But it seems like financials did do well today. Like the only thing that did well today. In terms of value stocks, yeah. Bank of America, Morgan Stanley, Ally, JP Morgan, AXP, American Express. So, yeah, it looks like financials doing well. And it looks like car companies doing well also. Ford and Toyota, Honda. But yeah, not much up in the green today. So on to the red side. And please smash the like button for me, guys. Would appreciate that. Thank you very much. All right, on to the red side. So actually, the red side wasn't that bad. So today was slightly bearish. Not the worst thing in the world, but just a really nasty sell-off to end the day here. But overall, this isn't actually too bad for the stock market today. But yeah, let's check it out. So IMMX, talked about this one a couple days ago. Said it was coming down. It's really bleeding. IMMX, yeah, this is like slowly bleeding down. It's probably going to come back to 365. So down another 19% today. Totally expected. And then we got NAKD, or Cenntro Electric, down 9.72%. Talked about this one yesterday. And it was trending again, top 10 today, so we'll talk about it on StockTwits. So we'll talk about it again. So we'll talk about NAKD first today. And then after that, we got BFRI, Biofrontera. Talked about that one like last week, said it was going down. It's going down. Then we got MVIS, Microvision. Haven't talked about this one in a while. But this was down 9.31% today. Was trending top 10 on StockTwits. So we will discuss Microvision second today. Then after that, Clover down 6.42%. Damn, XELA down another 5%. That's been getting wrecked. That's nasty. Yeah, a lot of memes here getting wrecked today. Riot, which is a Bitcoin stock, down 4.5%. Nutraben, which talked about last week, that's going down. MMAT down 4.3%, down to 245 now. Yeah, Skills, Ride, Tilray, a lot of memes here. Those are down. Wish, 2.5% down. Robinhood, 2.5% down. Those are memes. What happened to Netflix? Netflix got wrecked today, down 2.5%. Interesting. Yeah, SoFi down 2.27%. Another meme there. Tesla down 2.15%. That's pulling back. MicroStrategy, Bitcoin stock there down 2%. Looks like the Chinese EVs are down. Li Auto, NIO, XPeng. Apple down 1.67%. Palantir down 1.3%. AMC down 1.27%. Oxygen down 1.2%. Marathon, another crypto stock there, down 1.1%. Amazon down 0.67%. Small caps crushed. Yeah, that's what it's looking like. So, yeah, honestly, today kind of sucks that the market sold off at the end here. But, honestly, it's not too bad. Not too bad. Definitely seems like the small cap growth / meme stocks definitely got wrecked the hardest here. Value stocks went down a little bit, but, you know, nothing too bad at all. So, yeah, today really sucked for apes. Boomers seem to be holding up. You know, value stocks seem to be holding up pretty decently here. Actually, they seem to be, like, pretty sideways. Should have broken around even on value stocks. But growth stocks got wrecked here, for the most part. Except for these Trump stocks. PHUN and DWAC. Although that is pulling back right now. It was up to 65. It is pulling back now. It's down to 61.5. So already pulling back. But yeah, we'll keep an eye on these. These are moving out of nowhere. What up, PZ? Thanks for being here, dude. Yo, was really good? Like Stick mean it, right? Was good. Was really good. I don't know if you saw that. You know, the Boondocks. But I love that character. Please smash the like button for me, guys. Would appreciate that. Alright, so yeah, that is the stock market for today. Slightly bearish. It was up earlier. Massive sell-off to end the day. That sucks. But overall, not too bad. Not too bad. But when will it stop? When will it stop? Another red day. So, yeah, you know, hope you guys didn't get hit too hard. I hope you guys were diversified. You know, good balance between value and growth. Because, yeah, apes really got wrecked today. Crypto still going down? Oh, yeah, crypto got wrecked. Well, it's recovering now. Last time I checked. It was, you know, it seems like people are starting to buy it. But, yeah, crypto's down as well. So, we'll get to that right now. And, yeah, you know, not many people were in here to start the show. But, yeah, we're doing Ramenistan today because everything's in the red. So, on to crypto. Across the board. Yep, pretty much. All right, so on to crypto now. So crypto is down 2.53%. Now, I will say earlier this morning, it was down like 7%. About an hour ago, it was down like 1%. So, still down, but it was a lot worse. It seems like we are recovering here now, at least briefly. But yeah, another red day in crypto. It just keeps on bleeding. Make it stop. Make it stop. So yeah, Bitcoin's gone down, you know, over 35%. The high was what, like 70K, 69K, something like that. And now it's down to 43. Really nasty stuff here. Well, that's how it goes, I guess. So let's check it out. Start with the meme stocks here. Lucid Lands. That has been trending for a little bit. Since like a couple weeks ago. That's down 6.6%. Meta Football. This one's still trending. That one's pretty sideways today. Everbnb. I remember this one. That's up a little bit today. Then PayPay. That's up 1,200%. This one's been mooning. Look at this one real quick. Well, it pumped and dumped, and then it's pumping again. So, I don't know. 1,200% today. Safe Moon? Really? Safe Moon? The Portnoy coin? Really? Is this the same one? The Portnoy coin? Interesting. I think this is the Dave Portnoy coin. That's up 290% today. Interesting. Up to 208. Wow. Okay. And Metaland DAO. I don't know what that is, but ticker is Meta, so you know, anything with Meta in it is the cool thing. It's mooning now. Just put Meta in it and it'll go up a lot. That's up over 1100%. And then Meta Hero Universe. POW. The hell is this? Okay. Everything's a meta coin now. Meta coins are like the new meme coins. You just put a dog in it. Now you just put the word meta in it, and then it moons. Enough of that nonsense. ESPN News. Sure, we'll get to that. What up, Educated Fool? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you as always. Did you see Peter Tuchman on Benzinga? Not on Benzinga, but I did see. I think this is the same thing. He was on Wall Street Bets. Someone posted an interview of him, asking him like, "Do you realize you're a meme?" And I think that's what you're referring to. So actually, that's gonna be in our Yolos later. We're gonna watch that video together. It's like a minute long, but yeah, I think that's the same thing you're talking about. So yes, I think I did see that. He acknowledges he is a meme. That was pretty funny. Where's my meme here? Yeah, living meme, legend. So we'll watch that together later. But yeah, thanks for being here, dude. Yes, same safe moon. That's kind of scary. Why is it mooning? Interesting. Safe Moon did reverse coin split 1,000 to 1 like NAKD stock. Yeah, because it did. The price seems to. They did a reverse split. Then what was it before? 0.0000, like 10 zeros. They took off 3 zeros. Is that right? Okay. Usually when that happens, it goes down. So I don't know why it's going up. But hey, that's meme coins for you. How do you even buy this crap? Is it on Pancake Swap? Safe Moon? I think that's a little more legitimate. Are you talking about the meta coins? Yeah, Safe Moon is it is on Pancake Swap. But it's on Bitmark and some other stuff too. But yeah, you buy this crap on DeFi pretty much. Pancake Swap, Uniswap, Sushi Swap. It's all DeFi pretty much. All right, on to the meta coins. Yeah, mostly DeFi. That's why, you know, Elizabeth Warren and all these other senators and politicians want to regulate DeFi now because, and they do have a point. You know, it's true. It's when you have these ridiculous meme coins and they just get rugged, everyone loses their money. So I think there should be like a little bit of regulation on that, but you know, they're taking it to a whole nother level. They just want to like regulate everything crypto, which I don't like, but they have a point when it comes to like consumers need protection from this crap, from this you know, meme coin, meta coin, dog coin crap, because everyone just gets rugged in the end. Anyway, on to the actual crypto today. So I see a bloodbath here. So yeah, Bitcoin's down 1.87%. Seems like it's holding at 43,000. Hopefully. Ether down 5%. Seems that like that's holding at 3,400. Binance down 1.8%. Solana down 3.3%. Cardano is actually up, although it's been underperforming everything else. But Cardano's up 1.65%. XRP down 1.67%. Avalanche down 3.22%. Dogecoin's holding up pretty well. Look at that. Down 0.2%. And Shiba's holding up pretty well too. That's actually up 0.63%. Polygon up 0.69%. Nice. Crypto.com's up a little bit. Chainlink's up. Chainlink is up 0.9%. So actually, there is some green here. Near Protocol, Cosmos, Bitcoin Cash is down 2.36%. Decentraland's up 8.52%. Interesting. So mostly red here, but a few pockets of green. So not too bad, not too bad. It just hurts because every single day, crypto just bleeds and bleeds and bleeds, you know, and it does add up with, like, you know, when you get a week straight of red. But yeah, let's sort this out. So yeah, most coins in the red here, actually. It looks like maybe 20% of the coins in the green, if that. And not too much price action. Biggest thing is Ape NFT. The hell is that? NFT. Well, that just broke the top 100. That's up 15.42% today. The hell is this? Ape NFT? You gotta be kidding me. Is this like a legit coin, or are people just buying it because it's called Ape NFT with the ticker NFT? I don't know. Okay. Well, that's the highest today, top 100, about 16%. Got spammer in here. Someone take care of that, please. Then we got Decentraland, yep, 8.64%. Harmony, Urine Finance, Cosmos. Yeah, definitely all growth coins. The only value coin up today is Cardano. And Sheeb, barely. So yeah, actually this kind of sucks for crypto. Unless you're in one of these smaller cap coins. Probably got wrecked today. Not wrecked, but again bleeding. Make it stop. It's bleeding money every single day. It's pretty ridiculous. So let's take a look at the red side. Can you check news? MRIN? Sure. That's what, Marin Software? Talked about that one a while ago. But sure, we'll get to that, dude. Let's just finish up with this, and we'll do the news, and then I could look at that chart for you and the news. So yeah, on the red side, a lot of red here. About 80% in the red, but price action-wise is not too bad. You know, nothing is over 10%. Worst thing is Sushi Swap, 9.72%. Then Theta Fuel, 7.5%. But, Ether is pretty bad, actually. Yeah, so worst value coin is Ether, down 4.88%. That's pretty rough. But the value coins seem to be holding up. Then it's Solana, 3.27%. Yeah, so overall, you know, pretty nasty day in crypto. You know, generally speaking, this is pretty normal for crypto. You know, 2.33% down is not that bad. But when you have days like this over and over and over again for a week, 2 weeks, a month, it really starts to add up. So like crypto, you know, like Bitcoin didn't take any significant drop in one day. It's just like weeks of this slowly bleeding. It's getting a bit ridiculous here. Well, yeah, today, not too bad at all. You know, mostly the growth coins got wrecked today. Not so much value. Well, Ether did. But yeah, another day in crypto. Bleeding more money. What's new? Alright, so yeah, there you have it, guys. Stock market is down. Not too bad. Crypto is down. Not too bad. So overall, slightly bearish day, but you know, like I said, it's getting pretty ridiculous. This is just happening every single day, and it starts to add up and take a toll. So, come on, make it stop, make it stop. Let's get a reversal soon. Thanks, Busy Bone, for taking care of that. All right, so on to the news today. Here's the SafeMoon market cap. Sure. We'll take a look at that. I found UFC jumping in cryptocurrency bandwagon. Okay. Oh, and what's this ESPN thing? Take a look at this too. What do you think tomorrow after market open by MRIN, or is it too late? We'll get to that real shortly, Monir. Give me a second here. Let's just get through the news today. Chuck Liddell. So how long has this guy been retired for? We won, and Iceman is buying 43.8% of an unspecified amount of SafeMoon because SafeMoon Army voting. Thank you to all who showed up for these 3 crypto coins in my poll. I have made a decision to take a set amount of money and diversify between all 3 coins the percentages of votes they received in the poll due to everyone's enthusiasm. SafeMoon, Sheeb, and Doge. I'm all for the Sheeb and Doge, but SafeMoon? Why did everyone vote for SafeMoon? Really? Okay. Well, how much did he buy? So the UFC isn't themselves getting involved in crypto. Although they should make some NFTs, you know, that'd be smart. Everyone else is doing it, every sports league. But Chuck Liddell, this guy's been pretty irrelevant for a while. But power to him, power to him. I don't know if SafeMoon's the best investment, but alright, dude. ESPN raises UFC per pay-per-view price for 3rd time. What is it now, $100? Well, I guess they have to because of inflation. ESPN is increasing the price of pay-per-views on streaming service ESPN Plus by $5 from $70 to $75. So you got to pay for ESPN Plus, and then you got to pay for pay-per-view on top of that. Who's actually paying for this stuff anymore? You know, like, I always just watched UFC for the most part on bootleg streaming. And, I thought they're starting to make it free. I thought, you know, like, UFC is starting to be on ESPN for free now. Because I don't see who's actually paying for this. People pay for celebrity boxing more than they do, like, legit professional sport, like, professional combat sports now. You know, like, Logan Paul makes more money than these guys. It's ridiculous. But, I mean, yeah, it was too expensive before. I don't know who's paying for this now. This is pretty ridiculous. But, alright. Interesting. So it's a racket. You got to get ESPN Plus and then pay more money. Who's paying for this? Only diehard fans, I can imagine. I got free UFC and boxing pay-per-view since it is very easy to find online. Yeah, you just got to stream it and hope you don't get a virus. Yeah, this is SafeMoon here. Wait, why is this one different? This is different from the other SafeMoon I just looked at. What's going on here? The one I looked at was number 200 and had more zeros. So this is after the reverse split. I'm not sure what's going on here, but these are 2 different SafeMoons. I mean, either way. Interesting stuff. Not a big believer, but I guess it's getting traction now. Antonio Brown got released by the Bucks today. Yeah, I saw that. See, this time it wasn't even really his fault. I mean, it kind of was, but he didn't really actually, like, do anything wrong this time. He just said he didn't want to play because he was injured, and they made him play, so. Yeah, this time it kind of didn't deserve it. Yeah, Chuck Liddell. Alright, so I got an article here. I use my old PC to watch these free pay-per-views. I use ad block and pop-up blocker. Yeah, you know, everyone does. It's just kind of annoying, but, you know, at the end of the day, it's free. So no one's paying for this crap. Alright, so one piece of news today from me. Kind of irrelevant. Not really. Doesn't really have to do with stocks or crypto, but it was pretty big news and interesting, so I thought I should share with you guys. Powerball's $632.6 million jackpot has two winners. Here's how much will go to taxes. So yeah, for this jackpot, each winning ticket is worth an annuitized $316.3 million or $225.1 million cash. So usually people take the cash. So federal withholding fee $24 would reduce the lump sum by $54 million. So you only get $175 million, $170 million. And Wisconsin, where one ticket was purchased, would also withhold 7.65% or $17.2 million. So you only get like what, $150 million at the end. So yeah, kind of false advertising. What is this? GameStop shares surge on report it will create NFT marketplace. The hell is this? Anyway, guys. Yeah, so someone hit the jackpot. Two people hit the jackpot. Lucky them. You know, the odds of smashing the jackpot is crazy. You're better off buying FD Yolos, honestly. But congratulations to them. The hell is this? So GME is mooning right now. I guess we'll take a look at that. Alright guys, so that's all the news for today. So let's get on to the analysis now. We'll take a look at some stuff first. They should make it free pay-per-view. Free on TV. They can charge advertisers for $1 to $5 million for 30-second ads. Oh, you can go to a bar too. I usually do that too. Look at GameStop stock now. Yeah, going. Yeah, so DWAC is going back down. It's back to 59 now. So that was short-lived. GME. Wow. That looks like a bull flag. So, interesting. Is Loop Ring going up? Because Loop Ring, remember, the whole thing was about GME NFTs. GameStop to build video game to build marketplace for video game NFTs. GameStop plans to sign partnership with 2 crypto companies. Yeah, it's bull flagging, it's mooning right now. I mean, this isn't really breaking news, is it? I don't know. Because they've been saying this for a while, but I guess they officially announced it. Well, I mean, can't blame them. Everyone's getting into NFTs now. It's just going to be interesting how, I want to see this exchange, this GME exchange. It sounds pretty legit, but Loop Ring is not going up. Now Loop Ring is pumping. Interesting. Yeah, this is mooning right now. Don't FOMO, guys. Don't FOMO. Now Loop Ring is pumping. Let's look at Loop Ring. Sorry about the sirens, guys. Gonna talk over it. Loop Ring. I mean, it's not even really pumping, is it? Oh, kind of. The price didn't update, that's all. Yeah, it's up to, like, 195 now. So it is pumping. It is pumping. Yeah, there we go. $2. Wow. Okay. Yeah, that was a mega pump. Like 30% out of nowhere. So yeah, we'll keep an eye on GME and Loopring and DWAC. The whole show here. Cool. So that's good for GME. Like I said, not really breaking news because there was rumors about this for a while. But I guess the official news came out and everyone's jumping in here now. But I have a feeling this is not going to end well. It's going to go right. It's already pulling back. It's already pulling back down to 150 here. So we'll keep an eye on this. You heard offer Dirk free NFT last night because his jersey got retired, right? I didn't know you get an NFT, but you get an NFT for anything now. I was gonna go to the Jets game because when they play the Bucks, because you get a free NFT of something. So it's getting old. You get NFTs for everything now. AMC is pumping. Why is AMC pumping? Is it just trading in sympathy? Are all the memes just pumping right now? Yeah, see AMC's spike in sympathy with GameStop. But why is AMC going up? I have no idea. You know what? Nothing makes sense anymore. Bull flagged here. But this doesn't make sense. Why is AMC going up? Anyway, yeah, DWAC is down to 59. Fun is down to 298. So a lot of memes pumping here in the aftermarket. Interesting stuff. Don't FOMO, guys. Alright, let's look at MRIN for Monir, and then we'll get on to the analysis. What is going on here? Aftermarket pump. Wow. Amazon DSP integration to expand Amazon advertising solutions. So yeah, just good PR. So yeah, this is pumping here in the aftermarket. It was at 350, now it's at 486. Damn, it is pumping. A lot of things pumping here in the aftermarket. Interesting. Okay. What do you think tomorrow aftermarket open by MRN, or is it too late? Let me see. Yeah, it's probably too late to be honest. But if you really want, I think you missed it. But if you do want this stock, I'd say set the buy orders to 360 because it's going to gap up in the morning. After this action here, it's going to cause a gap at 360. So I'm not sure if you just wanted to buy it, Monir, for the quick pump, or you wanted actually to hold this long term. But I would say it's already too late, dude. Don't FOMO, because it's probably coming back down to 360. So if you want the stock, set it to 360. Otherwise, it's probably too late, I would say. Yeah, it's just good PR here. They got Amazon partnership. So yeah, we got a lot of memes pumping. A lot of memes pumping here in the aftermarket. Good stuff. You think tomorrow buy aftermarket open or too late? Yeah, I think too late, dude. I think too late. So if you do want to buy it for the long term, I'd say buy it at 360. Don't buy it at 480, whatever it is now. Too late. Wow. Yeah, GME is mooning now. Thanks for your check. You're welcome, dude. Yeah, I know it's hard to resist, but, you know, gotta resist the FOMO. That's how you end up getting burned. Alright. Let me actually check StockTwits real quick, see if anything changed, if we need to do any more analysis today. Because we got a bunch of memes pumping here. But, you know, it's probably not going to end well. They're all going to gap up, and a lot of apes probably going to get burned there. See, look, DWAC is most trending now. AMC's up 420. Lol, nice. Oh, there's also Eargo. Maybe we'll talk about Eargo. See, Microvision's not even trending anymore. Now it's Eargo. And DWAC is trending. Huh. So maybe we'll have to switch up the show today. I don't think we should talk about Microvision anymore. Maybe we should do DWAC and EAR. Yeah, but DWAC was short-lived anyway. And what's EAR? I have no TA for this. Alright, well, I guess we're not doing Microvision anymore, guys. Why did this go up? Alright, so I don't think we're gonna do Microvision anymore. We're gonna do DWAC. And I don't know if we're gonna do this one. I mean, we could briefly talk about this one. All right, we'll do DWAC and EAR, but we're not gonna do a full TI in this one. All right, so we're gonna switch it up today, guys. What do you think tomorrow after market open by GME, or too late? Probably too late, dude. Probably too late. Yeah, same thing. Too late, man. It'll probably come back down to, you know, 140, 138. I think it's too late. You know, not financial advice, but it's probably too late, to be honest. Wow, this is really going up here. Look at that. It's at 160. Holy crap. Apes in here. Apes are in here. Is AMC still going up? It is. Wow. So AMC's at 24 and GME's at 160 right now. Interesting. Interesting. Guess it wasn't too late. I think it is. I would not FOMO personally into here. This is probably going to end up pretty bad. It's probably going to end up coming back down to, you know, 130, 138 to fill this gap. But this is amazing just to watch right now. What about DWAC? How's that doing? This one's already pulling back. Thanks for being here, Eric. Thanks for being here, Eric. Appreciate you, as always. All right, so yeah, guys, we're going to switch it up today. We're not going to do microvision. We're going to do DWAC and EAR. Cool. Dang, haven't traded AMC since last February. That's probably a good thing. Probably a good thing. It hasn't done well. Or last February. Well, if it was last February, then when it was $9, then it has done well. But you know, it's pulled back significantly since June. Looks like memes are back on the menu. They might be. I think it's just a quick aftermarket pump thing. I don't think it's like a meme mania like for a full week like it was before. But yeah, memes are doing really well right now in the aftermarket. All right, guys. Let me check StockTwits again. All right, cool. All right, so let's do it, guys. So yeah, change of plans. Today we're gonna do NAKD, DWAC, and EAR. And let me actually change the title of the video real quick since we're gonna switch it up here. All right, just change the title. So let's do it, guys. SOS, what do you think? That's another meme stock, Chinese meme stock. I mean, it looks pretty good, dude, but you know, it's a Chinese meme stock, so just be careful. But just based on the TA, it does look pretty good. You know, gap down here, $2, so it should come back up to $2. You know, it keeps making lower lows. So I couldn't really blame you if you want to buy in here. It's a pretty good price. This is literally like the all-time low. RSI's at 30, so it's like pretty much oversold, undervalued. There's also another gap here at 10, so it should come back up to 10 eventually. But you know, I don't think it's a good idea based on like fundamentally. You know, it's pretty risky to put money in a Chinese meme stock. But looking at the graph, it does look pretty decent, I have to say. Pretty good. So, you know, if you want to, go ahead. It does seem like a pretty decent price, but personally, I'd stay away from it. All right, let's do it, guys. So here is NAKD, Cenntro Electric Group. This finishes at $4.18 today. That is down 9.72%. So we talked about this stock yesterday. It's been pulling back pretty hard ever since the merger was announced. And today, this once again was trending top 10 on StockTwits. So we'll discuss it once again. So no specific news to justify this price action today. Just seems like the institutions are pretty bearish on it, pulling their money, and even shorting. The apes are bullish, but apes are losing the battle here. So let's go ahead and analyze now. What up, Joe? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. Oh, wow. I didn't even have the screen up. So, yeah, I got to redo that. Clown on me. But yeah, thanks for being here, Joe. Glad you make it. I'm glad you're making the shows recently. You've been here a lot, so yeah, really appreciate you. Really appreciate you, dude. All right, please smash the like button, guys. Would appreciate that. Okay, so let's do that again with the chart up this time. So here is NAKD, Cenntro Electric Group. What is going on? Even this is pumping. Are all the memes pumping? Memes are going up right now. All right, let's get through this. So here is NAKD, Cenntro Electric Group. This finishes at $4.18 today. That is down 9.72%. Naked, I think we'll go back down to 220. Yeah, probably, dude. But don't tell the apes that. They're gonna be mad. So this one was. So we talked about this one yesterday. It has pulled back very significantly since the merger was announced. And today, this once again was trending top 10 on StockTwits. So we'll talk about it again. But yeah, no specific news to justify this price action. So I'm just going to assume that the institutions are really bearish, pulling their money, and even shorting this down. And the apes are losing the battle here. But let's go ahead and analyze. So we do have a double gap down. One gap down at 690 and another gap down at 460. So those are bullish indicators. That is telling us the stock should come back up to 460 and 690 eventually to fill those gaps. No idea how long that's going to take, but eventually those gaps should fill. Yep, that's about it. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. So where should we stop here? Now we'll stop at 11. Okay. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 510 and 410. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 510, 570, 620, 705, 770, 840, 905, 980, 1040, 1090, and then 1165. There is resistance above 1165, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 410, 320, and then 270. And 270 is literally the all-time low, so no support below that. So right now with this current price, 418, the channels to the upside and the downside are decently sized, so expect a good amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 1845 to the upside, the channel starts to open up and get really wide, so expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 1845. RSI is currently at 22, so that is extremely undervalued, extremely oversold. So this could be a good buying opportunity, not financial advice. And this did 5.7 million in volume today, which is around average. So this sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. And right now in the aftermarket, this is pumping up to 450. So that would be a bullish indicator. That is telling us the stock may there's a good chance the stock will run to the upside tomorrow. I'm not sure exactly why that's happening. It just seems like all the memes are pumping right now. Okay. So, just my opinion, not financial advice, guys, and not much has changed since yesterday. It's so the current price of 418 is already a pretty good price. It keeps making lower lows. Can't go too much lower. I'm not going to say that. It keeps making lower lows. We have a lot of bullish indicators here. Again, double gap down, low RSI. And the aftermarket action here. Really no bearish indicators or neutral indicators. So, really couldn't blame you if you want to buy in here at 418. Because that is a pretty good price already. That being said, I believe not too long ago, there were gap ups in the $3 range. Can't see those anymore because it's not on the 1 year chart anymore. But, so it is still possible this goes down to the $3 range. And if this does break the support of 410, the next channel to the downside is at 320. So, if this does keep, if the negative momentum keeps up, this probably will go back down to 320 and lower. So this is already a really low price, but it definitely has more downside potential. So if you want to go long, not financial advice. Really couldn't blame you if you want to buy in here. I can't support going long at its current price, 418 and lower. But again, that being said, this has a good chance that it goes down to 320. So if you guys want, so if this does break the support of 410, I would set the buy orders to 320. But for right now, I would support going long at 418 and lower. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Again, this does have downside potential, and that could pay off pretty big. If this does go back down to 320, that'd be about a 25% downside, so pretty decent tendies there. But again, there's just way too many bullish indicators here. No neutral or bearish indicators. So I don't think that's the best idea. You'd be shorting for about 25% and exposing yourself to a lot of upside potential here. So going short here would be a medium, a high risk, medium reward play, I would say. Too risky for my liking. I don't recommend doing that, but it could pay off if this does run to the downside. So, if you guys want to short here, then go for it. Just understand it is pretty risky. And I would say please cover at 320. But this one is pretty straightforward. It does look like a strong buy, although there is more downside potential. So just be careful here, guys. So, sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today, but looks like a good buying opportunity, not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is NAKD, Cenntro Electric Group. Now it came back down to 420. Low. I had a fun day. Hope your day went well, crew. Appreciate that, dude. You had a fun day, as in like in the stock market or in life, because stock market was pretty rough, and crypto too. But glad to hear that, Joe. It's not all about money, so glad you enjoyed. I just heard Binance bought Bitcoin on the dip $43K today. It is holding up really well at 43K. There seems to be some pretty strong support there. So I hope that's right. Naked might go under $1. It was, and then they reverse split, remember? So definitely possible again. GameStop, huge pump. Wow, 164. Oh, it's pulling back. It went to 175. Now it's pulling back. But yeah, it is pumping pretty hard. What about AMC? AMC is pulling back too. And DWAC is pulling back as well. Which we'll do right now. Okay. So let's do this one. So here is DWAC, Digital World Acquisition Corp, or Truth Social. I hear a fire truck. Damn it. 1 second, guys. Gonna mute real quick. My apologies. Got a loud-ass fire truck coming down the road here. Good, pump them up. Need some tickers to try out. Credit spreads. Credit spreads, dude. I thought you were all data gang. That's good though, That's the proper way to use options. Like multi-legged strategies. Not just puts and calls. That's what options are really supposed to be used for. Hedging your bets. But, even using multi-leg strategies on meme stocks, you gotta take advantage of the IV. That's really the good thing about, playing options on meme stocks. Alright, let's do it, guys. Yeah, so here is DWAC, Digital World Acquisition Corp, or True Social. This finishes at $60.27 today. That is up 19.65%. My strat is buy high, sell low. Yeah, like an ape, like Wall Street bets. Wrong button. I hit the wrong button. I meant to hit the, Okay. So, this stock came out of nowhere in the last hour of trading. We see this chart here. It was actually down most of the day. And then around 3 o'clock, we get some major news. Let's check it out. Yeah, so shares soar as report says Trump's Truth Social app to launch February 21st. So honestly, that's not really breaking news or anything. It was supposed to launch early this year, but I guess they made the announcement official. So that was great PR. That news dropped, and Ape started piling in here, and the stock ran up quite a bit in the past hour here, and in the aftermarket too. But it has since pulled back. So let's go ahead and analyze here. This one's pretty easy. So this appears to be a cup and handle in the making here. Maybe I should draw another one down here. Sure. Yeah, so this appears to be a cup and handle in the making here. Top of the cup being around 67.50 and the bottom being 48.50. So that would currently be a I think I'm sick, guys. Been like stuffy here last few days. Hope I don't have the C19. So that would currently be a bullish indicator, because that means this stock has the potential to come back up to 67.50 to complete the cup. And let's do some math. Great, here comes another freaking fire truck. $67. 48.50. $9.5. Okay. So once this does hit the top of 67.50, then I expect this to turn bearish, because then the handle would start to form. And if this is in fact a cup and handle, then it should pull back to around 58 to complete the handle. So cup and handle currently bullish until it tops out, then it'll turn bearish, and I predict it'll come back down to around 58. And it's also this gap up here. Come on. Why is this not working? I just want to zoom in. Come on. There we go. Still didn't work. Sorry guys, TD is not cooperating with me right now. Alright, whatever. There also is a gap up way back here at around 950. So that would be a bearish indicator, because that is telling us the stock may come back down to 950 eventually to fill that gap. Now at this point it looks pretty unlikely, but it's very noteworthy. So pay attention to that, guys. Gap up, 950, bearish indicator. So let's go ahead and analyze now. What is this? It's another fire truck. I think something happened. It's pissing me off. ruining my show here. Still theta ganging it, but I want to know it all. Absolutely, dude. Wow. Yeah, you can never learn everything here. There's just like way too much to learn. But theta gang is like actually one of the easier, more beginning strategies, and these options strategies can get pretty complex. You know, into like 4-legged, 6-legged, even 8-leg strategies. So, you know, that's really good, Joe. Professional aping it. You know, not just like FD YOLO crayon eating aping it. All right. So right now this is sitting on the support of around $60. So if this goes to the upside, the next levels of resistance would be 67.50, 74.60, 83.30, 94.10, 120.20, and then the high of 175. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 55.50, 41.15, 48.45, 44.70, 37.64, 37.65, 16.50, 12.75, 10.65, and then the low of 9.45. I don't know what is happening outside, guys. There's like a lot of... I hear another fire truck. So something definitely happened, but this is really pissing me off. It's like ruining my show here. So, yeah, my apologies, guys. Gonna mute again real quick. Alright, hopefully that's it. This is getting really ridiculous. That was like 5 fire trucks in like 10 minutes. Alright, so right now at this current price, 60.27, the channels to the upside and the downside are really wide, so expect significant price action either way this goes. RSI is currently at 63, so that is a little bit above average, but nothing to be too concerned about just yet. And this did 11 million in volume today. Pretty significant volume, so this pump today was confirmed by the volume. And in the aftermarket here, this is pulling back down to 59. So that would be a bearish indicator if this holds up, because that is telling us this stock is probably going to run to the downside tomorrow. Okay. So, just my opinion, not financial advice. Like I said, this looks like a cup and handle. So I do think it'll run to... So I do think this does have upside potential. I think it'll run to 67.50 to complete the cup, and then it'll probably pull back from there. So that's a little over a 10% upside here. So if you want to go long, not financial advice, seems like a pretty decent play. Not the most tendies in the world, but it appears to be a pretty easy 10%, I would say. So I could support going long here at $60. Please just cover at, but I would say sell around $67.50. Going long here appears to be a low risk, low reward play, I would say. Definitely not anything fancy, but, you know, relatively safe, relatively easy money. So, yeah, I could support going long at $60. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice. I would not do that, and I would not recommend that just yet, at least. Like I said, this does appear like it has more upside potential. And it probably will go back up to $67.50 to complete the cup. So I think, and like I said, I think after that it'll pull back. So I would hold off on the short side, but I would support going short at $67.50, and then I would cover around 58, like I said before, because that's where I think the handle would complete. So from there, that'd be about a 15% downside. So again, not the most fancy play, but that short play would also be a low risk, low reward play. Relatively safe, relatively easy money. So again, I don't think you should short right now at 60, but I would support going short at 67.50, and I think you should cover at 58. Okay, so congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today, and good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is DWAC, Digital World Acquisition Corp, or Truth Social. All right, guys. How many people still in here? I feel like this is taking way too long to get through. Like, not much analysis here. 3 people still in here, so you guys are the real MVPs. Thanks to everyone who's still in here. So we're gonna do EAR. This one's not gonna take long. Let's see what happens here. All right, so let's do this one. This one shouldn't take too long. So here is EAR, Eargo. This finishes at $7.28 today. That is up 59.65%. So we had some massive price action on the stock today. Made top 10 on StockTwits. So we'll talk about it. So there was a reason why this stock pumped up so much today. Had some news, so let's check it out. Shares are trading higher after the company announced the Department of Justice confirmed to it that the previously announced criminal probe is no longer active. So I'm not too familiar with the stock. Not really sure what they were being investigated for, but that appeared to have a really negative effect on the stock. And so I guess they're clear of all wrongdoing now. So that was really bullish news, really bullish PR. And yeah, apes piled in and pumped the stock up today. So let's go ahead and analyze. And I don't have support and resistance here today. But yeah, let's analyze. So first of all, we have a gap down here at 2120. So that is a bullish indicator. That is telling us the stock should come back up to 2120 eventually to fill this gap. And today we also have, did I say gap up? I meant gap down. Yeah, gap down at 2120. And today we have a gap up at around $5. So that would be a bearish indicator that is telling us this stock should come back down to $5 eventually to fill this gap. This also appears to be a cup and handle in the making. Top of the cup being 22 and the bottom being around 450. So that would be a bullish indicator because that is telling us this stock should come back up to 22 eventually to complete this cup. RSI is currently at 66, so not quite overvalued and overbought, but quickly approaching that, so be careful, guys. And this did 137 million in volume today. Very significant volume. Biggest volume day ever for this stock. So this pump slash squeeze today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, so just my opinion, not financial. Oh, and this is running slightly up in the aftermarket here. So that's a bullish indicator for tomorrow. That is telling us this will probably run to the upside tomorrow as well. All right, guys, so just my opinion, not financial advice. Longer term, this does appear to be pretty bullish. But in the short term, I'm pretty worried about that gap up today. I think it's probably going to pull back there before it goes back up again. So if you want to go long, not financial advice, I think you already missed your shot today. I think in the relative short term here, it will pull back down to 5 before it goes back up. So I don't like the current price of $7.30 going long, but I would support going long at $5. I think $5 would be an excellent entry. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, seems like a pretty decent play. Like I said, this should pull back down to $5. So at this current price, $7.30, if you were to go short from here to $5, that's a little under a 30% downside, maybe 25%-ish. So that appears to be a pretty good play. I would say going short here is a medium risk, medium reward play. Definitely worth a shot. Seems like a relatively easy 25 to 30% in my opinion. So I could support going short here at $7.30, and I would say please just cover at $5 once this fills the gap. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. Consider taking profits if you're up. Not financial advice. But like I said, I think this will pull back in the relative short term. So don't get too greedy, guys. Secure the gains. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is EAR, Eargo. Alright, guys. What up, Machete? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. Alright, guys. So that's all the TA for today. So my apologies. Switched up the show in the middle here. Got a lot going on. Microvision wasn't trending anymore. DWAC started trending. This started trending, so we switched it up. And my apologies for all the sirens and stuff. I don't know what's going on outside, but that you know, kept messing up the flow here. But yeah, took an hour and a half, and on to the Yolos now. So yeah, boring part is over. Fun part now. So let's get to that, guys. And give me a second here to pull it all up. And please smash the like button, guys. Would appreciate that. So, yeah, we got 4 viewers still in here. Appreciate you guys who stuck around. You guys are the real MVPs. AMC's up to 10, is up 10% now. Maybe I should have did AMC too. Oh, well. Cool, so let's pull up the memes here. And there's a lot of memes today. So give me 1 second here. AMC setting up for Morningstar pattern. Yeah, it's mooning right now. Is GME still going up? Wow, GME is still going up. Wow. Huh. It's double topping though. So yeah, the memes are going nuts right now. Is DWAC going up? No, that cooled off. But yeah, but you know, just be careful because there's really no reason this should be pumping. It's trading in sympathy with GME, but like GME had legit news. This did not. So you know, just be careful, dude. But yeah, this is pumping right now. Okay. So yeah, today, guys, got a lot of Yolos here. This should be fun. We got the short video about Peter Tuchman. Then we have a lot of lost corn, general lost corn, portfolio lost corn. Then we got Palantir lost corn, Robinhood lost corn, Wish. Then we got GME Yolos, which, you know, they must be cashing in a lot right now because that is mooning right now. But yeah, let's go ahead and do it, guys. Hell, even PHUN started ripping. Yeah, well, that had a reason too. Well, not really. That trades in sympathy with DWAC. DWAC and GME have like legit reasons to be mooning. PHUN, that usually just trades in sympathy with DWAC. I can see that. But AMC does not really trade in sympathy with GME. I mean, it kind of does a little bit, but not really. So, you know, a bunch of shenanigans going on right now. But all right, guys. So this first one is by Lakin. But yeah, this guy, I think Peter Tuchman, you know, the meme, the legend himself. The legend, Peter Tuchman. We have an interview here. So this guy asks him if he knows he's a meme or not. So let's watch this real quick.
You are a sentiment indicator on Wall Street Bets on Reddit?
Yes, I've actually been told that recently.
Okay.
I kind of, for the first few weeks, I didn't really know what a meme meant. I mean, I knew it was something that had to do with Wall Street Bets and Reddit, but I understand that I am the bullish indicator in the meme space, and I'm honored to be that person.
Yes. It's only when your picture is used in an article that's the bullish indicator. Is
correct?
Is when your
did
picture
it come out? Did it pop up this morning yet?
No, I haven't seen it yet. So
all right, so let's back off on putting our pedal to the metal on this one. Then.
All right, Peter Tuchman. You can check out his trading course, Wall Street Global Trading Academy. The link is in the description. Peter, always a pleasure. Happy New Year, by the way.
That's awesome. That's awesome. So, yeah, this guy didn't even know what a meme was. He's that old. This guy's ancient. He must be like, what, 70 or 80? I don't know. But, yeah, he thinks a meme has to do with Wall Street Bets. Not really. But he somewhat gets it now. He understands that he is the bullish indicator. So it's pretty hilarious. This guy just became a legend on its own. Not even like not even because of him. It's just the community picked it up, and he fully embraces it now. Like, I am the bullish indicator. That's awesome. Yeah, epic. Yes, damn right. Educated fool. Lol, the guy's a living legend. Absolutely, absolutely. He's like on the Bogdanov level now. You know, living legends there. All right, so funny stuff. Cool. All right, on to the Lost Corn. So this one's by I Am the Wasted. Initial investment of 90K. Guess when I discovered Wall Street Bets. So this was like back in February. So maybe it kind of seems like he discovered Wall Street Bets way in the beginning, made a lot of money on meme stocks, and then tried to, keep it going and just kept bleeding all this money, and dug himself a hole, try to get out of it, and unfortunately, yeah, he's down, 55K. So, yeah, I think he discovered Wall Street Bets in the beginning and thought it was that easy and lost it all. Sir, this is a casino. So, I am the Wasted. Thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, but thanks for the screenshot here. Very great content, entertaining. And yeah, maybe we should get off Wall Street Bets. This is where people come to lose money. But yeah, thanks for posting. And good luck to you, dude. Both Bogdanovs are no longer with us. Yeah, RIP to them. That was really sad. Within a week of each other. Where's the, Yeah, but they will forever be living legends. Or not living anymore, but they'll forever be legends. RIP. Alright, this one is by Plain Meat 6697. Yeah, I don't know. So here's a profit and loss chart. So he was actually up. I don't even know how this happened. But he was up to 150K out of nowhere. Just like straight rocket ship up. And then went right back down. Lost a lot of it back. Straight line. And then it was pretty decent. He made a lot of it back. Oops. And then just slowly bleed. Boom. Rocket ship again back up to 50K. And then straight timber. In the negative now. So what a roller coaster. Probably a lot of FD Yolos here. And, this is what happens when you play the casino. Gotta know when to quit. So, yeah. Started with, like, almost nothing. Like, I don't know what this is. Like, 5K. Ran it up. Incredible. And eventually gave it all right back. So now he's down 22.6K. Laws looks like mine, haha. Only mine is smaller numbers. Yep, sir, this is the casino. This is what happens. So, yeah, Plain Meat 6697. Thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, dude. But, yeah, you should have quit while you were ahead. Even when you were at 50K, you should have quit at 50K. You were up a lot there, but didn't know when to quit. And, now you're down 22K. So I can't feel too bad. Totally your fault. But definitely belong here. What an ape. And respect. So thanks for posting, and good luck to you, dude. Alright, this one is by Long Live Victor. I don't know what that was. Well, I don't know what happened here either, but it says today he's down 24K. So I think he just got wrecked on options today. Has to be. I don't know what else would cause this. That's pretty tough, losing 24K in a day. Yeah, I don't know either. Wonder what actually happened here. What positions he had. So the last guy, you know, he lost 22K over the span of a couple months. This guy lost it in a day. So, respect. Respect. Great loss corn here. So, long live Victor. Thanks for posting. I don't know what this is either. But, well, I kind of do. FD Yolos. And, yeah, that really sucks. That hurts. Hope you can afford to take the loss. But, thanks for posting, dude. Great content. Appreciate it. And good luck to you. Give you the Wendy's. Was this a glitch, or are you just that retarded? I think I must be just that retarded. Oh, did I do the same thing? Alright. Alright, now we're on to some legit plays now. Not like general loss corn, portfolio loss corn. We're on to legit plays here. So this one is by Dragon Blue Balls Z. Nice. Palantir and what is ME? I don't know what ME is, but Palantir and ME are the future, they said. To the moon, they said.
Bruh.
Alright, so what do we have here? We have a 4,000 shares of Palantir. Average cost $38.
Bruh.
Literally bought the high in Palantir. Now it's worth 17. And then we have 3,000 shares of ME. Average price is $10.30. Now worth $6.20. So yeah, how much was this? 30K. 50K. So this was like an 80K YOLO. More than that. My bad. This was a 180K YOLO. This was a 180K YOLO, $180,000. And yeah, he's down $84,000 on Palantir, down 55%, and he's down $12,000 on ME, down 40%. So yeah, now right now he's down almost 100K on shares. That's a lot of Palantir. Yeah, true Palantard here. True Palantard. Buy high, sell low, right? That's how it goes. So, I will say, well, I mean, he did buy in the literal top there. That was pretty stupid. But, at least they are shares. You know, they're not options. They're not FD YOLOs. This is pretty nasty. But at least they're shares. So, at some point, they should go back up. He may be bag holding for years and years. But he probably will make his money back eventually. So, at least there's a bright spot. They're shares, not FDs. So, as long as you hold, he should be okay. May take a while, but he should make his money back. Diamond hands, right?
With diamond hands, they knew they'd profit if they could only hold.
So, great loss corn here. So, Dragon Blue Ball Z, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, dude, but this is pretty insane. Yeah, true Palantard here. And yeah, like I said, this sucks, but at least they're shares, so you should be able to make your money back eventually. So just hang in there, dude. So yeah, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, and good luck to you. Give you the Wendy's on that one, too. Alright, this one is by Mainwater6500. I'd like to revert back to my previous save point, please. Okay, so more Palantard stuff here. 10,000 shares of Palantir. Average cost $23.50. So, you know, it's not as bad as the last guy, but he has more stock. So yeah, this was a $235,000 YOLO. And right now it's down $66,000, 28%. So this one isn't as bad as the last guy. He didn't buy in the absolute top, but $23.50, that's not too bad. But yeah, down 28%. So yeah, this is really rough. You know, not much diversification, but I guess he really likes the stock. And yeah, you know, same thing. At least it's stock, not FD YOLOs. So and he doesn't have to wait that long. You know, $23.50 is like not that far away. So as long as he holds, he should be alright. But yeah, this really sucks. Great lost corn though. So more Palantir lost corn here. So yeah, Mainwater6500. Thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, but it's not too bad in all honesty. Just hold, you should be alright. Good thing you bought shares, not options. So I'll give you the Wendy's on that. But just hold and you'll be alright, dude. So thanks for posting. Alright, now we have Wish Lost Corn here. By Tavo47. The numbers, Peter, what do they mean? Wish. I think that's referring to Family Guy. That sounds really familiar, that quote. I think it's Family Guy. Anyway. So here we got Wish Art Hard. 7,777 shares of Wish. Average cost $8.40. Damn.
Bruh.
That's near the top. Top is like 10-ish. So, yeah, this was a 65K YOLO, $65,000 YOLO, and he's down $43,000, down 66%. So, Wishtard, yeah. Is that what they call him? I think it's called Wishtard. Clovetard, Wishtard. So, again, another one with shares. So it's not the worst thing in the world. But I think it's going to take a while before Wish comes back up to $8.40. So like under $3 right now, right? Yeah, so probably going to be back holding this one for years and years. But hey, eventually it should get back there. So, yeah, buy high, sell low, right? So, same deal here. Really disgusting. Bought a meme stock at the top. Not much diversity. Not any diversity. And yeah, now you're stuck holding the stock for years. So, you know, really sucks, but all things considered, could have been a lot worse if you bought FD YOLO options. So, you know, just hang in there. Hold this until it comes back up. And you'll be right, dude. Diamond hands.
With diamond hands, they knew they'd profit if they could only hold.
Alright. Cool. So yeah, Tavo47, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. And good luck to you, dude. Alright, so what's this one for? Robinhood. Oh, I missed one here. All right, this one is by Boosters. Clown Hood. Clown Hood. All right, so yeah, here we got 3,844 shares of Robinhood. I don't know what the average price was, but yeah, this was a $110,000 YOLO, and right now he's down $49,000, 44%. Yeah, so probably bought Robinhood in the 30s, like 35 or something like that. Now it's down to 16, pretty nasty. So another example of buy high, sell low. Same deal though, you know, at least they're shares, not options. And Robinhood, it is a meme stock now, which I don't think it really should be. I guess it can be, but you know, Robinhood is a legit company. It's not going anywhere. People don't like it, but it's a powerhouse. So yeah, this one will probably not take as long as Wish to come back up, but still probably going to bag hold this one for a little bit here. So great loss corn here. Yeah, so just hold and you'll be alright, dude. This one isn't as bad as the Wish guy. So Boosters, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, but at least they're shares. Just hang in there, just hold, and you'll make your money back eventually. And good luck to you, dude. Give him the Wendy's. Oh, and the clown too. He's the clown right here. Gotta give him the clown. All right, one more for Robinhood by Dimitri ES. Bought Hood at 50 clown. Well, that's his tag. Average down, they said. F. All right, so not as bad here. We got 1,600 shares. Average cost is 44 though, 43. So this was a 70K YOLO, and right now he's down 45K, 65%. And it's gone. Yep. So at least this guy, he can afford to lose this. 6% portfolio diversity. So he seems pretty rich, to be honest. But yeah, this really sucks. Buy high, sell low. So yeah, same thing here. At least their shares. 43 may take a while to get back to 43, honestly. But you know, it'll get back there eventually. Just hold. You'll be alright, dude. And he can afford to lose this one. This guy is not, you know, a super 8. Well, he is kind of a super 8, but he has a lot of money. You can tell by the diversity here, portfolio diversity. So this gotta be all right. So Dimitri ES, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, but just hang in there, just hold, and you'll make your money back. All right, guys. Now we got our options, and these are more relevant than ever because GME is mooning here. What is GME at right now? All right, it's pulling back. GME's pulling back. All right, so this one is by Hodl HUD. Got a run catch on the replay. All right, dude. Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, and catch you later. We're almost done anyway, so we'll get out of here in like 10-15 minutes. But all right, later, dude. All right, 400K GME YOLO. YKTV, what does that mean? I don't know what YKTV is, but yeah. 400K GME YOLO. So here we got 100 calls for GME. expiring February 18th, 2022. So about a month and a half here. Super FDs at the $220 strike. So yeah, this was a 400k YOLO, and right now he's down 350k, 349k, 85.5%. Now, this probably got a little better because GME is mooning right now, but he's still probably down a lot here. So yeah, what do you do? Got a month and a half to go. I really don't think GME is going to 220, but I don't know. Maybe it will after this news. But, yeah, in my opinion, and, you know, I usually just take the more conservative option, but still got 60k in value here, probably more, now that GME mooned today. That's still a lot of money. I think you should cut that before you lose everything. The play itself, pretty risky to begin with. 400k on a meme stock like this. Don't really recommend you guys do that unless you can afford to lose the money. And yeah, at this point, it's not looking great. I think you should cut, because if you don't, there's a good chance you lose everything here. Pretty straightforward. There is a chance this works. Very slim. But I think you should just take your 60k and call it a day before it goes to zero. So, Hodl Hood, thanks for posting. Great content. Very entertaining. Sorry for your loss. Not as bad anymore after today, but yeah, pretty risky play to begin with, didn't work out, and at this point, I think you should cut before you lose everything. But no matter what you do, please post updates. Want to see how this goes. What a legend. This is crazy. All right, next one by Aggravating Ad 7077. Sacrifice to the one true Gamecock. 50k calls in 50k in calls and 30k in stonks. Can't go tits up. Can it? We miss you, deep effing value. Yeah, the legend himself. Deep effing value. Haven't seen him in a while here. He's retired now. Alright, so yep, got a bunch of GME calls here. He says 50k in. This is pretty ridiculous. So these all expire in 2022, from January to April, and we have calls from the 130 range to the 950 range. So, this is what you call ape diversification here. Different strikes, different expirations. So yeah, he's in for 50k. And not looking too great. He's only up on one of the calls on one of the options right now. His April 14th, 2022, 220 calls. Up 8.9%. Everything else is down pretty much. Is down a lot. So honestly, after today, you should have made a lot of money back. The 130 calls and the 160 calls are now in the money. Everything else still out of the money, and good chance those expire worthless. So the plays themselves, not great, you know. Some of them have decent strikes, but all the expirations are pretty bad. These are all pretty much FDs here, and not really well timed. So, still have a chance. He'll probably make some money back on these, but overall, he's probably going to be down a lot more. He's probably going to be down a lot. Not even close to 50k, what he started at. So yeah, at this point, I think this is pretty obvious. you should definitely cut the more risky stuff. You know, your $950 calls, probably even your $200 to $300 calls. Because if you don't, this will probably end up going really bad. Could go to zero. And especially after today, after the big news and the aftermarket run, you may want to consider just taking everything off the table here. You probably won't have 50K, which you started with, but you know, you can save face here and walk away with not that big of a loss. So I definitely think you should cut pretty soon here, everything, or else you might lose everything. So, aggravating ad 7077. Thanks for posting. Great stuff. You are insane. And yeah, not the greatest plays, but after today, you probably made a bunch of money back, and I think you should cut right now before this goes bad again. Cut your losses, walk away while you're not that down. But no matter what happens, please post updates. All right, last one by me. Seems like the roller has a lot here. By Fear the Old Data, dropped 19K on GME calls for February. My tits are effing jacked for the upcoming cycle. Got the potential to put last January to shame. Let's effing go. All right, so yeah, we got 19 calls for GME, February 18th, 2022, expiration, 170 strike. So you know what? After today, this is almost in the money, which is insane. So the play itself, I would say decent strike, bad expiration, and good timing. So overall, pretty good play, I would say. Very risky, but it's working out so far. So I wish I could see an update here, what he's actually at now. But yeah, he's almost in the money with a month and a half to go. So I think at this point it's pretty obvious what to do. These should be worth a lot of money in the morning, and I think it's an obvious cut because they're still out of the money, and it'll probably pull back after this major news. So yeah, I think this is pretty obvious here. Cut everything in the morning. Probably be a pretty fat profit. And if you don't, it'll probably go down to zero, honestly. So yeah, pretty straightforward. So Fear the Old Data, thanks for posting. Pretty decent play, actually. And right now it should be worth a lot of money. So yeah, my recommendation at this point is cut it before you lose it. Secure the gains. Don't get greedy. This one actually wasn't too apish, and it's working out right now. So congratulations on your gain. Not sure what they are. Please post an update. Want to see how much you made here. And yeah, please secure the gains. But no matter what happens, yeah, please post updates. Want to see how this goes. All right, we got 5 more. From Low Roller. And then we'll get out of here. So let's let this finish loading here. All right, so by Jamerica Industries, this is the guy who's all in GME. Oh boy. A artard does not choose to trade. He is called to it, and he is answered. Increased my position by 200 shares. Oh my god. So yeah, this is the max margin GME guy. So now he has 4,200 shares. 870K YOLO. And he's actually up 160K today, but still down 160K overall. So down 18.6%. So, we're watching history in the making here. This guy's constantly updating his position in GME, sharing with the community. But at least they're shares, you know? I don't agree with the max margin thing, but at least they're shares. And he may actually get out of this in the green somehow. Amazing. So yeah, this guy's already a legend, and he was down a lot more. So he made a lot of money back already. Still down, but yeah. We'll have to see what happens with this. So, yeah, thanks for posting, Jamaica Industries. You are a legend, and hope to see more posts from you very soon. All right, by Crazy Farmer Adam. This ape doesn't deserve to be saved, but tomorrow I just might be. Wow. So these all expire tomorrow. Not all, but most of these. Super FDs on GME. 135 call, 137 call, 142, 144, 149, and 160. And these are all now in the money. This is ridiculous. So this was looking really, really bad. I'm not sure how much he lost, but this was looking really, really bad. Up until the aftermarket. So, yeah, he got saved. He got saved for sure. So yeah, this is pretty straightforward to me. Gotta cut in the morning. When this opens up in the morning, cut everything. I mean, maybe you don't have to. Maybe it'll stay in the money, but yeah, I think you got real lucky. You know, don't even play around. Just cut it in the morning, and you should be able to walk away with a gain. Amazing, somehow. Crazy stuff. So, yeah, Crazy Farmer Adam, thanks for posting. Yeah, tomorrow you will get saved. Got extremely lucky. Secure the gains. And, yeah, dude, congrats to you on making it out here with a gain somehow. Alright, by a polar bear fell on me. Left a limit order on for $2 because who the hell thought it would moon after hours? Cancel pending now. Sell to close. 150 call at $2? Oh, hell no. Imagine if it hits. Yeah, he got lucky here. He got lucky here. So another lucky ape here. It's worth $2. It was worth $2. Now it's worth what? Can't even tell on the options chart. Well, yeah, he got saved here. Worth a lot of money now. So another ape that got saved here. Some altcoin pumping in the last 24 hours in CoinMarketCap in the top 100. Yeah, like ape NFT, right? All right, two more. By Inevitable G. Nice. 3,500 to 58,000 in 2021. Doing it again in 2022. Yeah, I did see this one. So this is some gain corn here. Not sure how this was done. But looks like options were a factor in here somewhere. But he doesn't seem that apish. Seems like he ran it up, you know, over time. So at least, you know, nice change here. Someone made money. A lot of lost corn here. Here's some gain corn today. I wonder what he did, though. This definitely seems to be more conservative, not like FD Yolos. All right. Me and the boys preparing for profitable 2022. I saw this one too. But they're hitting their nuts. They're training their nuts. That's pretty funny. Yeah, those are like monks and stuff, Shaolin monks, and that is a thing. They just like let you hit them over and over until they become like numb to it. All right, last one. Dependent Dangerous 80. Lost another 5K today. Now I can use some advices. Lost another 5K. This isn't actually so bad. He lost it on the stock, I'm assuming. This isn't so bad. These puts are like pretty legit, actually. And he's just losing it on stock. He's a lot of meme stocks here. It's alright. Just hold, dude. This is actually a pretty legit portfolio. Pretty legit, you know, plays here. This isn't that bad at all. So yeah, some advice. This isn't so bad. Just hold, dude. You'll be alright. You know, shares, not options. And the options he does have are, like, pretty good. They all seem to be, like, pretty in the money right now. So maybe cut the options. I don't know. If you're really that worried. But the shares are alright. Anyway, guys. So that is the show for today. So, we went a lot longer here than I expected. You know, it was supposed to be a short show, but we changed it up midway. You know, we changed it to DWAC and EAR. That's fine. And, the show started pretty slow, but a lot of people came in here and started chatting, so appreciate you guys. Thank you to everyone who came today. And, yeah, and then those Yolos took a while. And, yeah, guys, so that, you know, honestly, that wasn't the greatest show. Had a lot of improv going on in the middle there. A lot of interruptions from the sirens, too, so my apologies about that. But overall, pretty decent show. You know, we've been having some pretty good shows the last couple of weeks. So, you know, I enjoyed today, and hope you guys did as well. Thank you, guys. And for some reason, you know, haven't been getting subscribers this week. I guess the content just isn't that great, but yeah, I'm like pumping out the videos too, and then like no one's hitting the subscribe button, so hopefully that changes pretty soon. Yeah, guys, that's all I got for today. So, you know, if you guys have anything else for me, questions, comments, concerns, charts you want me to look at, put them in the chat right now. Otherwise, we'll get out of here. How many people still in here? Everyone's gone already. Alright. So I think that's it. Let's get out of here, guys. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close. Oh, you know what? Let's do that again. Just got the water bottle. My bad. Take two. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know. Diamond hands to the moon. Oops. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.